Hello guys, in this video you're going to discover how to make money online only by typing name. So it may sound too good to be true, but stick around because you're going to discover how to actually make money with this method. This is true, right? This is no bullshit website or whatsoever. Because in this video I'm going to reveal to you every steps and where you need to go, what you need to do in order to be able to making money only by typing name. So the website that I talk about is called SquatHub. By the way, this is totally free method. You don't have to invest anything upfront, any dime upfront. You also don't even have to put on your credit card information or whatsoever because it is totally free. So basically, SquatHub is actually a company that providing a business name service for business owner that wanted to have the compelling or interesting business name, right? So you and me as a freelancer, we are able to make around $100 to $400 only by giving all this business owner a brand name, right? So why does it important actually? So just want to brief you out. Why would people willing to pay you and me $100 to $400 only by giving them the business name? So here's the thing, guys. Actually, business name is part of branding. So as you can tell, branding for business is very, very important. Branding is also one of the reasons why people going to decide whether or not they are going to buy the product or not, right? Because branding certainly equal to trust, right? So the more branding or the more well-known the branding in the world, people going to choose the brand, even though the brand or the product is actually slightly expensive than other brand, right? So I hope it makes sense to you. So that is why all these business owners willing to pay a lot of money by only give them some idea or a business name. All right, so I hope it makes sense to you. So what you need to do is just head off to SquatHub. Then you're going to land over to this website over here, right? So just click on the contest and browse the active contest. So we're going to take a look how much money actually you are going to be able to make. So just scroll down. You're going to be able to see a lot of contests that are available on this particular site. So as you can see, 338 contests right now, live right now, right? So the chances are you're going to be able to join all these contests to making a lot of money. So name for construction architecture business 300. So this contest over here 300, this contest over here 300, and as you can see, the first one you are even going to be able to make $1,000 only by typing names online, guys. How cool is that? So this is where you're going to be able to make a lot of money actually if you are able to win all these contests, or at least like couple of contests within a month. You're going to be able to make a quite decent amount of for side hustle, for supplemental income. All right, so maybe you're curious that whether or not this method works. So just go ahead to the contest, and then we're going to take a look at all the winners for this contest. Right, so many people, guys, are actually making a lot of money with SquatHub.com. So take a look at this person over here. Just won 300, this one 135, this one win 100, this one won 135, 200, 100, and the list goes on and on. So many people are making money, guys. So just take a look at this guy, for example, over here. You can also take a look at the data, the record, the past record, how much money this person are making. 600,000, guys. So this is insane. $600,000 only by typing name online. So just take a look at other person, like this person over here. You can literally just click one by one to take a look at how much money they have been making. $4,000 only by typing name online. So this one over here, $23,000. So this is insane, guys. This is insane amount of money, right? So this is how you're going to be able to making money only by typing name online. So now it's come to part how you can actually give all this business owner a brand name. So you can simply go to Google and type in business name generator, and then you can see bunch of sites or apps that actually can help you to generate the business name, right? So take a look at this one. This is under Shopify. You can also do the same thing with the business name generator, and also the same thing with Overlow as well. All right, so what you need to do is, for example, if you want to participate one of the contests, let's take a look at one of the contests available here. For example, like name for premium supplement brand. Okay, what you need to do is simply go ahead to Shopify and type in the supplement. So click search, Right, so you can be able to see a bunch of business names suggestion for a supplement, right? So cruise supplement, honey supplement, blue water supplement, pearl supplement, silver light supplement, and the list goes on and on. So same goes with this two sites as well. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and simply paste it somewhere here. Okay, so I'm going to click generate, and then it's going to help you to generate a lot of them, right? Supplenatic, okay, supplement functional, Dora, supplement jog, win, supplement flame, and etc. So you can also do the exact same thing with this site over here. Just simply generate names, and then you can see bunch of the idea. So what you need to do next is just take a look at each and every one of them, and then you want to gather all the names from all these three sites, and then shortlisted like top 5 or top 10. So then you can analyze which one that the most compelling brand name that you can come up with, and then just go ahead to join all the contests that are available in this site over here, right? So just take a look at this one over here. We're going to scroll down, and if you scroll down, you can see that this person has won, like this one over here. Okay, let's scroll down below, and you can see how many contests that this person has won, right? So this person has won 3 contests, and the entry submitted is 155. So this literally means that the more you join, the more chances you to get to win, right? So the idea is you need to join as many contests as possible, right? So that is the key. That is how you're going to be able to win all the contests. Just take a look at the contest that this person has been participate as on December 6, January 24, February 14, 5, 8, and 15. So on February, this person has joined 14 contests and has won 1, right? On March 5 and has won 1, and on May 15 and has won 1. So like I told you, the idea is you need to join as much contests as possible. And as a matter of fact, creating brand name, come up with a brand names idea is not that easy. Like I told you, you just need to go ahead to these 3 sites, and actually you can see bunch more apps or websites on Google by simply type in business name generator. All right, so you need to see all these names here. Take a look at which one that you think most compelling, most interesting, and then just join as much as contests as possible on the website, right? So guys, I hope it makes sense. I hope you enjoy this content, and that is how you're going to be able to make money only by typing names online. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like, just give me the thumbs up so that I know you like this video, so that I can produce more content like this in the future. Okay, and if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, how to make full-time income online, click my first link in my description down below. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.